Okay? Because nobody's up there.
We saw those. We saw those.
Then go over there by the shed and do it.
Go behind the building and do it.
You're not going to do it now? Oh, yes, you will. I'm going to try to do it. Pick a direction, sons. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, you're too shy. You're shy to do it now, huh? Oh, no, you're not. Ah!
There you go.
Get her, Sonny. Get her. Get her, Sonny. Get her. Turn.
Turn.
Oh, Lord. You chicken, Addison? You chicken? Yeah.
You get the look on her face?
I think so. What are you doing, Sonny? You thought you were going to die? Your brother wants you.
Mama wouldn't let me jump onto her, so she didn't let me run past her. I'm like, come here.
Come here, Sonny. What you doing?
Come on, Sonny, can you jump up here? The grass is getting in there.
Oh, not really. It's just...
Oh, God, right.
Y'all done for the night?
Hey, Isaac. Isaac, did you pee-pee?
I peed too.
Good job, boys.
Sonny, come here.
Addison, when you got some food out of your thing, you were getting the... You knocked part of it over, like...
Sonny, you want to run with me?
Addison.
Oh, God, Sonny. Sonny. Oh.
He's eating grass. Really? Really? I'm sitting here videoing you and you go and I can't see you and you're doing it.
Come here, son.
He said that was he had to go in and go home.
He would chase me out of the fence, though. Watch. When he get in.
He chasing you in there, you ain't gonna know where to go.
Here we go.
Here he comes.
Oh, God. Sonny.
Addison, don't go any further.
Come to me. Faster. Don't look back.
Oh, Peanut Butter was laughing at me. Mommy, let's see Mrs. Nibbles can run.
No, Mrs. Nibbles doesn't run like that.
Rooster. Peanut
He probably had you. Over 10 feet.
He's pretty fast.
He is fast.
What you doing, son?